Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1966 Chevrolet Nova. Very cool car, guys. I actually sold this car to a gentleman about 4 years ago. Car was originally out of North Carolina. It's finished in Tuxedo black. It's got the black vinyl interior. Very cool drivetrain, guys. It's got aluminum headed 327. It's cammed up with a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, 12-bolt 410 or 411, posi rear end. Fun car to drive, man. Disc brakes. It's got 17-inch chrome American Racing Torque Thrust 2s on it. Pretty car, man. Good, solid, straight North Carolina body. And like I say, if you want something with a little bit of performance, this one is fun to drive. I actually took it back in on trade on a Camaro we had. But cool car, man. This thing is fun to drive. I believe it's like a 6-7-year-old restoration. Very nicely done. Again, a little hot rodded up. You'll hear it when we fire it up. Sorry about the dust, guys. It's windier than heck out here today. So it's just got everything blowing around. Pretty paint. Car's nice and straight. The wipers do work. I think you replaced the wiper arms and they're a little too long. They're hitting the little rubber there. So we'll have to replace those, but the wipers do work. Car's nice underneath. We took some pictures. Frames tied. You can see all the chrome and stainless. Very nice. I'll show you. Matter of fact, the sun's on them, so you're going to see them. There's a couple scratches right there. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Again, those are 17-inch chrome American Torque Thrust 2s. Not polished, the chromes. See how pretty that paint is? You can see traffic in the background. It's got Wilwood disc brakes on the front. Again, this is a 327 in, nice little cam in it, Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Victor Jr air gap intake. It's got aluminum heads, ceramic headers. It's got an MSD ignition box with a Pro Billet distributor. Again, it's got Wilwood front disc brakes. I think I said aluminum heads. Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, aluminum radiator. Clean car. Look at the shock towers on this thing. Oh, it's got the Muncie 4-speed, and it's got a scatter shield bell housing. You can see, you can kind of nitpick the A-pillar chrome a little bit. New mirrors, new door handles, new door rubbers and fuzzies. It's got the bench seat, rosewood steering wheel. It's got the Hurst shifter. Factory dash 73,649 on your odometer. You can see it's got aftermarket autometer tack and gauges. Stock AM radio in the dash, but it's actually got an aftermarket radio in the glove box. It's got all the billet pedals on it. It's dual exhaust. Again, it's a 12-bolt rear end, I think it's 411 posi. Make sure I get that in the ad. Fun. It's got a gear drive in it. Fun car to bang the gears, guys. They've relocated the battery to the trunk. It's all spackle coated in here like it should be. Again, we got it up in the air, took some good pictures of the underside for you. Again, the frame's tied. Cool car, guys. Fuel gauge works. It's like all your other gauges are working. The only thing it's not hooked up looks like a voltmeter. Nasty little cam in it. Motor works, getting gauges work, aftermarket radios Jay's got on, it's actually in here, it's got a remote somewhere. Again, the wipers do work, we got to change the arms. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page, or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a cool car. It's got all the SS badges, guys. It's not an original super sport car. Look how straight that thing is.